The first term is what? What's my first term in our expression here? Negative 5x's. So we need to get 5 of these guys. Go ahead and throw them on your table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When they're blue, right? When they're blue like this, that means that they're positive. And this says negative 5x's. So what do you think I got to do with those? Flip them over, right? The red side represents the negative side. So if I flip them over, now we have negative 5x's. Absolutely perfect. All right. The next term says plus 3. So what tile should I get for the plus 3? The unit tiles. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's throw 3 out there. They're positive. So they should stay blue. All right. Now how many x's do I need? 7 x's. And I'm actually going to kind of stack them underneath. And it's for a reason. I'll show you in a second. So let's get 7x tiles. These are positive. So they definitely should be blue. We're doing really good. Last but not least, how many is left here for me to add in? Plus 2 more unit tiles. Absolutely perfect. All right, so let's just recap real quick. Negative 5x's, plus 3, plus 7x's, they're the blue ones, plus 2 more. Now we start grouping up, right? That was the whole thing last class. I think the easy thing is to get our unit tiles together, because how many unit tiles do we have? 5, and that makes sense, right? We have plus 3, plus 2, 3 plus 2 makes 5, that's easy. But here's where the issue is with negatives. Sometimes with negatives, we get kind of stuck in our own brains. We don't really understand what that means. Well, look here, I have negative 5x's, and then I have 7 positive x's. If I have a negative and a positive, what do you think happens with those? Kind of subtracting, kind of adding. Like think about this. If I have $1, if I have $1, but I owe Cal $1, how much money do I really have? I got none, right? Because if I got the positive $1, but I owe him $1, I got to take it away. I really have nothing. This what? Yeah, we're getting there. What happens with these two is we just slide them off the page because they zero out. That's the term, they zero out. And I'm going to keep zeroing out pairs of red and blue tiles. And that's how we use our algebra tiles to visually see that all I'm left with is how many x tiles now? 2. So my answer should be 2x plus 5. And again, some of you guys don't need the tiles, and I get that. But I want you just to think, 1 second, Amari. I want you to think about this. Look, we started with 7x tiles, and then I subtracted 5, right? And what is 7 minus 5? 2. That's why it becomes 2 x's. But sometimes when we throw x's on there, it confuses you. So that's why we use the tiles, so we can visually see how those move.